In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Ads.txt file to your Squarespace site. This is an essential step for those of you who are monetizing your site through ads and want to ensure your ads run smoothly and securely. So let's dive in and get started with the process, which should only take about 5 minutes. First things first, head over to Squarespace and click on the login button. This will take you to the page where you can log into your account. Next, to make logging in a breeze, click on Continue with Google. This is a handy feature if you've linked your Squarespace account with your Google account. Simply select the Google account you wish to use and you'll be swiftly logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the website where you want to add the Ads.txt file. Doing so will take you directly to that website's configuration page. Now you'll want to navigate over to the settings section. You can find this under your website's main menu. It's usually a crucial hub for all sorts of configurations. After finding and clicking on settings, your next stop will be the developer tools. This feature provides access to some of the more technical elements behind your Squarespace site, so it's the perfect place to configure the ads.txt file. Now once you're in the developer tools section, look for the URL mappings option and click on it. Now comes the part where you'll input your code to add the ads.txt file. In this area, you'll see a field that allows you to type in your code. Be sure to follow the format guidelines provided by Squarespace, which is essentially using the old URL to direct to the new URL where your ads.txt file exists. Keying in the correct information here is crucial, so take your time to ensure everything is correct. Finally, once you've inputted all the necessary details and double checked your work, it's time to save your changes. So scroll down and find the save button and give it a click. This will lock in your changes and ensure that everything is in its right place. And there you go, you've now successfully added an ads.txt file to your Squarespace site. By doing this, you've taken an important step in securing your ads from unauthorized reselling and ensuring effective ad monetization. If there are any errors or something doesn't seem right, always go back and double check each of the steps to make sure every detail is correct. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.